Hey guys, welcome back to Nature's Cadence Farm. Just had a comment the other day about the MS290 to 390 conversion. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what has that been, 5, 6 years now since this thing was put together. And great question. Thank you so much, whoever you guys were, that have asked about this in the past and most recently, because it's nice to get kind of I guess a follow up, some information on how this thing is holding up. So far so good. The engine itself is still running. In fact, we're going to run it here just in a little bit. We're going to actually cut this piece of maple, my test log here, and you can see I've added some of these big dogs on here, and it's also got a pipe, and you'll hear that pipe. In fact, I'll tell you what, let me get in here a little closer, and we'll show you kind of what's going on here. So yeah, here's the dogs looking good, and they got inner and outer. A little excessive for this, but it's really cool. They work great. And here's the pipe. There's the pipe. Looks it works amazing, and it really helped the performance of this saw. Man, I really like this thing. So in fact, this has been such a stable and nice build that I actually I carry this in the dump truck. Here's the dump truck. Her name is Aster. That's the dump truck. If you'd like to see more information or hear more information about the truck, just let me know. But here's the undermount box that I have that I bought for the truck and mounted it all up. And so you can see there's the home for the MS290 to 390 conversion. And that's that. And then back behind there is actually just an MS290 that I use as a backup, because it takes the same bar and chain. So if one gets pinched, the other one can run. Or if one gets dull and the other saw doesn't run, I can switch the bars around or whatever. So I like doing that. The ammo cans just have chains in them. There's a little toolbox there for stuff. And then I keep my bar and chain oil in there like that. And of course, you have to keep an axe in there too. And you can see when I'm not wearing my safety gear, I can keep it all in this box, and everything fits in there just perfect. Super easy to get to everything too. For the saw to actually make it into a truck and be carried around with me, they have got to be reliable, very consistent, predictable, easy to start, restart. Everything functions properly. But I really like this platform, and this has been a great saw. It really has. If you guys have a 290 or a 390 or anything like that that you have, you guys know, they're not a pro saw. I know that. I have other ones that are pro saws, but all in all, I've been really happy with this Chinese motor that's in here, the one I got. In fact, I'll put a link down below in the description for the actual motor that I got, and that way you can look at it and check it out. But I also right now I'll put a link up right here to the series, the playlist for this saw, and the engine and replacement and everything. So enough yik yak for me. Let's get this thing in the wood and see what she can do. I mean, I know it cuts well. It's nice and sharp, so should go on through here pretty good. So let's get set up here. I'm going to get you in real close, not real close, but closer than I've got you now, so you can get a really good view of what's going on. So here we go. I got you all set up so you can see the saw running real good, nice and close. I got my chaps on, and you saw I've got my my felling helmet and my earmuffs, so we're all safe here. And so let's get this thing started up. I warmed it up. I took a quick test cut, just kind of get the saw warmed up so you could actually see, what it looks like running. So let's go ahead and fire this thing up. Really easy to start. All right, well, there you go. This thing has been an excellent addition to the fleet, and I really don't have much more to say about it. If you have any questions, let me know. Drop me a line below there in the comments section, and I can, try to do the best I can answering them. So either way, well, guys, thanks so much for watching. We really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.